Hi, cocktail connoisseur. I'm Dominik Becvardi, and we are in Zagreb in Peaches and Cream Bar. For the classic drink, I'm gonna make you a Boulevardier, which is one of the drinks that I love to drink and to make. We're gonna start with Woodford Reserve Bourbon. We're gonna go with 30 mLs. After that, we're gonna have sweet vermouth. We're gonna go with 20, and we're gonna put in 20 mLs of Campari. Perfect. We're gonna put some ice, and we're gonna stir it up a bit, just so we get the drink chilled and diluted. A bit more. There we go. We're gonna serve it in an old-fashioned glass or an ice cube. Perfect. And we're gonna decorate it with an orange zest. There you go. Enjoy.